Hey, so you've been thinking about adding a shop to your Showit website, but seems like such a hassle, right? Well, I've got the perfect thing.
This is my Kimberly Shop template, which is based on my best-selling Showit website template that I originally created for course creators and coaches, but honestly, this can work for any service-based business who wants to sell digital products. You can see on the shop page, there are a ton of sections that will help you highlight different categories, have featured products, and ultimately start making money from your site right away. Plus, all of the mockups that you see in this design are yours to keep and edit in Canva to make your shop even easier. And of course, this template includes a long form product sales page that you can customize completely, not to mention cute details like countdown timer, affiliate sign up page, and email opt-in section. So you can purchase this template on its own, or if you have an existing Showit website that you just want to add on, it doesn't matter. And the best part, I created a step-by-step course for how to integrate your new shop into whichever shopping cart app that you want to use, Thrivecart, Woocommerce, or Shopify Starter. Honestly, if all you got were the video trainings, this would still be worth it. Want to check it out? Comment shop and I'll send you the link.